Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to share with you an exfoliating body sugar scrub. Very simple, very nourishing for the skin. You are thoroughly going to enjoy this, and it's very fall Halloween inspired. We're going to use some of my favorite essential oils, lime, lemon, and orange, to give that citrus flavoring to our body scrub. We're going to use almond oil, but feel free to use like coconut oil or olive oil. And then we're going to add some vitamin E drops in there to give it a little bit more nourishment to your skin and to help with anti-aging. So you are going to need a large bowl. You're going to need your sugar, a spoon to mix it in, a container to store your sugar scrub in, and then, like I said, you're going to need your 3 essential oils, your carrier oil, and vitamin E. So let's get started. Okay, in your mixing bowl, you're going to go ahead and add your sugar. And I like using sugar because A, for this recipe, it's very sweet, and B, it is a gentle exfoliation. So I like doing that, which is nice. And then you're going to add about 5 drops per container of your vitamin E oil. So I'm adding that to the sugar right now. And vitamin E is nice because it helps with wrinkles, it helps with anti-aging, and it just moisturizes the skin nicely. And I just had a little bit of drops left in this. So perfect. Now we're going to coat this with our almond oil. Like I said, you can use coconut oil, you can use jojoba oil, argan oil, any oil you choose, any carrier oil you choose. You can even use olive oil. Just note, some oils have like a color to it. So like olive oil is usually typically green. So you want to be mindful of that. And so basically I'm just adding enough to get it moist. And then I'm going to add my citrus oils, which are very energizing, invigorating for the skin. So I like doing that, every so often, because in the fall, when the seasons are changing, sometimes we get tired or we just don't have that extra boost of energy that we need because of the weather changing. So it's just nice to, put on your feet and arms and legs. You just want to make sure you use this, not on any sensitive areas. Okay, we're going to add our lime essential oil, and I liked using this because it helps stimulate the brain. So back to school time, which is nice, and like I said, it's very energizing. So when it stimulates those brain cells, if you have a big paper or a presentation or something like that, it's nice to use lime essential oil for that. Okay, next is our lemon, which is another uplifting, detoxifying essential oil, but it's very refreshing. So I think it's just really nice. I also make a scrub for my face using lemon because, it just smells amazing. It's no stranger to this house, that's for sure. And then we have our orange essential oil, which rejuvenates you at the same time as all the other oils. And it's perfect. It just smells amazing. And when it's all mixed together, it smells like that favorite Halloween treat, candy corn. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and fill your containers. Okay, now I'm going to fill my containers. And this is a wonderful sugar scrub for yourself in the shower, or you can gift it. If you put a pretty label on it and decorate it, you can maybe make a little gift basket. It's just a natural, non-toxic way on a budget to have some beautiful beauty products in your home. So just with a few things around your house, or a few things you need to pick up, like essential oil and a carrier oil. So I just think it's wonderful. And it's natural and it's inexpensive. So why not? Okay, now we're going to cut out a label, and I make these labels just on an app. And if you want these labels, let me know in the comments below, and I will send you a free printable of these labels if you just want to use the ones I have. But basically, you can just get as creative as you want. You can make it in color. I just chose to do it in black and white just because that's what was available as far as my printing options. And the full recipe details too are over on my blog, which will be linked below. So make sure you check that out. If you want, you can go over there and maybe pin one of the pictures for later, for in the future to make. If you don't want to make it today and you're just watching this video today to get inspo for the holidays. or for this season. This is always good. You can always put it in your bucket list, a DIY body product that has natural ingredients. Okay, to put my labels on any surface, I always like to clean it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and then when it's dry, it will adhere better and not come off. So I always do that. Kind of gets off some of the grime and the gunk, and if the sugar scrub has anything on it, it kind of does that for me. So that's what I'm doing here. Then I'm gonna let that dry and put my labels on. Okay, now you're going to, and I'll have this paper that I use. It's like a glossy waterproof finish, and I'll have that link below so you know where to get it. And then you just want to store this in a cool, dark place, and you want to use it about up to 1 month. If it goes a little longer, that's okay, but you don't want it to store for too long, because the essential oils will kind of break down their benefits and their properties. So you want to use it up when you can. And I say use a sugar scrub like at least every other day, because then that way you'll get the most benefits of having all that dead skin cells removed and all that. It'll clean the grime and the dirt away. So there you have it. And aren't these precious little gifts, or for yourself? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. And if you like these beauty, health, wellness, whatever you want to call it, natural living on a budget, let me know. I'll be sure to do more videos. I like to do videos, recipes from cooking to cleaning to beauty and healthcare, all on a budget, creating a non-toxic and natural home. So I'll talk to you guys all real soon.